I'm going to do the following. And I'm going to use a formula to determine which cells to format. So I'm going to check here in column N this is greater than 1, so it has to be $N5. So I get the first row, and the rows are changing for each line, so I have not to put the dollars. This is relative. 5 is equal to 1. I'm gonna change the format, and the font color of the font has to be this one. Okay. The new rule using formula again is $N5 is equal to 0. Format, font, and the color has to be this one. Okay. I'm gonna check this. Okay, here you can see how it is. We have this blue color, or we have this gray color. We can also change this. Conditional formatting, manage rules, edit rule, format. We can use this blue, for example. Okay. So that's incredible, because according now I change this. Okay, I can determine if this has to be displayed or not. Okay, that's good. Then I'm going to change the conditional formatting for this page. If they are containing ready, I'm going to hold this area and conditional formatting. I'm going to formula. The formula is the following. Test ready for test. Format color is green and is bold. Okay. Then I have specific text beginning with ready. Okay, ready, and the format of this is amber, like this. Okay, and this will have to be at the top, so this is the first one to happen. But of course, if I found ready for test, I put it green. If it is not ready for test, I will go further on to check the other condition. I found this. Okay. Then I will change also only cells that contain cell value, specific text, non-containing, ready to test. The format is italic and it's red. Okay, and this one has to be the last level. I'm gonna click on OK. Okay, here we are. So we have the pages that are ready for testing, so the red ones. Then we have the ones that are ready to test but not. Okay, so now I know if a page has to be this page has not to be tested at all. I can also conditions for these ones. This one to be you see these are cancelled. Or if I'm going to change the ready to test page, okay, also this one is removed. Okay, and again this one. Okay, so we already added information on this. Okay, we can also do this formatting by priority. Okay, these are medium, low. I can also change this if you want. Okay, or even I can also conditional formatting. I can set this one. I'm gonna manage the rule here. I can set, okay, edit rule. This when the value is formula, the value is low, and this is medium. Specific test H. I can add here a column because this is done with values. Priority, this is priority 2. Okay, this priority, this one is if this is equal to priority 2 is equal to m, then we have this, otherwise is 0. We're gonna copy this. The validation is whole minimum 0, maximum is 2. Okay, we have the numbers here. And then here we have home, okay, and I'm gonna center this. I can also hide this, or I can keep as you want. Okay, that's interesting because you can see, you see already the ones that are with a certain priority. Okay, so we have now this part. So we formatted this with this. Okay, I think we are done. We can also so that we can decide not to display the sitemap sometimes. We can also decide to group it, okay, like this, to show or not show this devices. We may define, for example, that we don't want to show this part. Okay, group. Okay, F4, 4. Okay, you can decide like this because for some reason you don't want to display this anymore. Okay, so that you have a shorter table, as you can see here. For some reason you don't want to show the URL and the test scenario. Okay, group this. Or in some cases there are some tests, like some of the here components. Okay, this part, some of the markets of the company's area don't want to test this part. I'm gonna group this. I'm gonna close this when I don't need it. so I don't need this, and so why I have to show this? Okay, so you can do this and make it shorter if you want. Okay, I think now we already created our format, and yeah, here we can also do this format cells pattern, put some pattern, okay, on this. Okay, that's it. We are ready now to create our dashboards for the pages. Okay.